Hey guys, I'm Lydia, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I don't even know what to call this. Okay, we're gonna call this chicken and rice because this is a dairy-free chicken and rice recipe. I'm gonna actually make this in 2 batches, okay, because I'm gonna make one for tonight and then I'm gonna freeze one for later. I'm actually getting into freezer meals because it's so much easier. I'm really learning how easy it is. So that's what we're gonna be making today, okay? So I will be showing you a clip on how I actually prepared my chicken. So I actually made it last night in the oven. And I just seasoned the top with some Lowry seasoning, salt, some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and that was it. Okay, so I'm gonna shred my chicken up right now. And we're just gonna jump right into this because I'm just ready. Let's do it. Okay, so let's jump into it. Okay guys, so we're back. That took way longer than I expected, but I actually was able to get 3 pans out of it. So I'm just gonna have to divide up everything and it just might be a little more meaty, but that's all right. It's all right. What I'm trying to do actually is use up everything in my pantry. So I actually found a can of peas, so I'm gonna divide it between the 3. I don't really eat canned peas, but I don't like to let things go to waste at all. That is not me. That's not our household. We actually got these from Thanksgiving. I have a lot of canned goods I'm still trying to get rid of that people gave us during the holidays, okay? So I'm trying to get rid of it all because I want to stay away from the processed foods and actually start doing some more fresh foods, some canning. So if you follow along with my channel, guys, or you see my community posts, I did just post about that more recently. So that's the style where we're going in. So as long as with the treats that I do for my job, for Lid's Pastry, guys, I also am going to just show you more things that I do around the house that's budget friendly, healthy meals, and with everybody's food restrictions. Of course, we got to go dairy free. We gotta go low carb. We got a lot to do. Okay, so I just grabbed like a small bag of mixed vegetables that I had in my freezer and I divided that between the 3 pans as well. I wish I had canned corn, but I only have canned cream corn. So I'm gonna have to find some recipes to do with that because I have like 5 cans. So if you see a lot of corn recipes, guys, I'm sorry, work with me. Okay, so I'm gonna add my rice. Again, just using what I have because I want to use it up. I have some boil in a bag rice. And the only reason it looks yellow is because I have some saffron season. And I actually boiled it in that just to give the rice a little more flavor. Okay, and all my ingredients, guys, are completely cooled off. Because like I said, these are freezer meals. So I'm just gonna pop them right into the freezer when we put it in and I don't have to worry about cooling it down to the right temperature. So I'm just gonna put 1 bag of rice in each and kind of try to break it up. Please make sure you have clean hands. Clean hands. I am like washing my hands all day. I feel like I have the most ashiest hands. And then everyone says to just put lotion on it. You can't put lotion on your hands when you're cooking, guys. Especially like me. Y'all know my hands be in it. I'ma just be ashy. Anyway, guys. So with the chicken, when I was peeling it apart, because I did cut that clip because it was so long. what I did was I tried to save every piece of the chicken, okay? So the skins that I took off are right here. And I might turn it into like a little short video on how I make like fried chicken skin, like chicharron skin, make it extra crispy. And it's just like a nice snack. That's why I always season it. Like when you saw me heavily seasoning, I'm gonna eat that skin. Okay, and then in this bag right here, my Ziploc bag, I have all of the bones that I saved. And I have so much, like my freezer is full of bones and veggie scraps, just because I know I'm about to be canning up a lot of chicken broth soon. Okay, so I have my rice in, and I'm just spreading it a little even, just because I know I am gonna mix it. But I have a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. So originally when I was gonna do just the 2 pans, I was gonna split it between the 2. Now I have to split it between 3 like I've been doing with everything. So just to let you know, I don't know, let me see. I might grab another can. I'm grabbing another can. Okay, let me open it, guys. Let me open it. I feel like my videos are always so long. 1, because I talk too much, and 2, because I never have everything I need with me, so I'm always running to get it and then trying to edit it out. So I'm just gonna add some more tomatoes, because I love the tomatoes. And that juice, when it cooks, guys, is actually gonna help keep that rice moist, because I always struggle with like recipes like this, just because I want to find one that keeps the rice moist when you unfreeze it. So keeping all the juice is the best thing. Okay, I got me a little spatula, and we're just mixing it up. Like I said, it's a lot of chicken in it. It's about 14 ounces of chicken in each pan. But after we mix it, this is how it looks. So guys, before I put everything in the freezer, and this is anytime I make any freezer meal in a like aluminum pan, I always cover it with saran wrap twice. And I do that just because I want to keep that moisture in there, and I don't want it to evaporate. And that's even during the baking process, like especially during the baking process. I do not take that plastic wrap off at all. I leave it on. It doesn't burn at all. It actually like creates like a shrink wrap seal when it gets hot. So it really seals that moisture in. Okay. So I'm gonna finish mixing these up. Okay, all 3 pans are done. So I'm gonna grab me some saran wrap, and then we're gonna start wrapping them up. I'm gonna label the tops. The way I label them, guys, all I do is put what it is. So I'm just gonna write chicken and rice on top. And then for this, we just wanna take it out the night before. So I'll just say defrost the night before in the refrigerator, because you have to let them know, because sometimes it's not always you taking the food out. So you gotta let the house know. Okay, and then I'll write, you can easily just put this in the oven for like 20 minutes, because everything's already cooked in here. All you're doing is heating it up. So you just put it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes, and then it's all done. So I'm just gonna wrap this up real quick and pop it in the freezer. But guys, I wanna say, I am gonna cook one tonight. I will show you pictures of it on how it came up, and I'll just put them at the end. But if you find this recipe helpful, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, because I really appreciate you guys cooking here with me every day. Like, I feel like it's every day. This is the most I've filmed since I started this channel. I think I'm posting out like 4 or 5 videos a week, and it's great. Like, I really love it. So I just want to say thank you guys again, okay? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.